This is how it's done, guys. More than $7 million in less than 6 months just by launching meme coins. You want to learn how to do it? Stay tuned and keep watching this video, guys. What's up, guys? I'm genuinely glad you clicked on this video today because I'm going to show you exactly how I approach meme coins. And it's completely different from what most people are doing. I'm not sitting in the trenches trading all day. I'm not chasing pumps. I'm not guessing entries. I'm launching meme coins myself and cashing out whenever I want. This single shift has made me more money than trading ever did. And somehow it's still being massively overlooked. If you want to learn how to actually build and dev meme coins instead of gambling on them, this video is made for you. I've generated millions of dollars by launching meme coins, and that's exactly why I'm breaking this down step by step. Let's get into it. Most people in this space lose their entire portfolio on meme coins because they only trade them. They buy into coin, hoping for a quick flip, and then the dev dumps on their head and takes their money. Look, all the meme coins on Axiom, they follow the same scheme. Pump, dump. And now it's pumping, then it dumped again. People are buying in, dev dumps, you lose money. Same thing with all these meme coins, guys. Look at this meme coin again. It pumped, it dumped. We're gonna take this meme coin. Pump, dump. It's always the same charts, it always looks the same. So instead of being the exit liquidity, you need to switch strategies. Stop trading and start launching. That's why experienced traders and visible KOLs, key opinion leaders, are quietly moving away from trading and into launching their own coins. When you launch your own meme coin, you control everything. You minimize risk and you maximize upside because creating a token costs basically nothing and every buy goes directly into your pocket. When you trade meme coins, your capital flows to creators. When you're the creator, the flow is reversed. You're actually the one getting all this money into your wallet, guys. The process itself, it's extremely simple. You deploy a token on chain, you allow buyers to come in organically, and once market cap and volume are high enough, you cash out and repeat. That's it. This exact method is how I built my entire portfolio from zero to millions of dollars. Real quick, guys. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So please always do your own research. So, guys, most dev, they always think about Pump.Fun. They go on Pump.Fun and they see what's popping, what's going viral, and they just launch a coin there. But the problem with Pump.Fun is it's completely overcrowded. New tokens launch non-stop, and most of them die almost instantly. And on top of that, Pump.Fun takes a cut of your liquidity and creator fees, meaning you're already giving up control from the start, guys. And let's be honest, getting to migration relies heavily on luck and takes way too long. That's why I switched to mintrush.fun. This is the perfect launchpad to launch your meme coins directly on Raydium. This launchpad, it solves all the problems. Every meme coin launched here goes directly to Raydium instantly, meaning immediate exposure, immediate trading, and immediate volume without dealing with bonding curves or waiting for migration. There are two ways to launch your coin on Mintrush. First, you can do it manually. For example, you go on Twitter, you go on TikTok, you go on Instagram, you see what's popping, you see what's trending, and you just create a coin around this trend. So for example, I don't know what just happened with the Epstein files, guys. What you can do, you can just come on mintrush.fun, create an Epstein coin, add your own image, add your own description, and you create it, and the coin goes directly to Raydium. But guys, the second method is where the real money is made. All right, this is the copy trending coins tab. Here, this section is insanely powerful because it shows you the tokens that are already going viral. These coins are trading on Pump.Fun, meaning the narrative is already hot. When you copy one and launch it directly to Raydium, it instantly attracts attention, volume, and buyers from the trenches. That's why copying coins is so lucrative. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, what you need to do, guys, you need to connect your Phantom wallet here. So, mine is already connected, but first step, you connect your wallet here. Then what you're going to do, just going to refresh to see, what coins are popping. So there's two tabs. There's the trending coins tab and there's the graduated coin tab. Here, you're going to see coins that graduated in the last 24 hours. Personally, for this video, I'm just going to, copy a trending coin. Here, guys, then what you do, you click on the create coin button here. Going to open your Phantom wallet. You proceed anyway. Confirm. Understand. Confirm. And right now, your coin is getting created. Just wait a couple of seconds. You know, and boom, guys, just like that, your coin has been created. So you can check on the Explorer, the Solana Explorer, to see if your coin has been created. Yep, this is our coin a few seconds ago. So now the next step is actually be creating the liquidity pool. This step activates trading. So here, this is how it looks. So here you select your token. So you just create it. Uh, where is it? California. What's the name again? California something. Califraud. Here it is. But that's our token here. You drop most of the supply of your coins, so around 90%, just click the 90% here. And you put around, what I do is I put around 0.5 to 0.6 SOL in the liquidity pool. 0.6 SOL is a good number here. Then, guys, what you're going to do, you're going to click on the create pool and add liquidity. It's basically going to create your liquidity pool. Proceed anyway. Confirm. And boom, guys, just like that, your liquidity pool has been successfully created. So now, guys, you just wait a couple minutes for the liquidity pool to appear on the mintrush. And then I'm going to show you the next step, guys. Guys, that's how the liquidity pool looks after a couple of minutes waiting on the platform. So here you have the SOL in our liquidity pool. The amount of token already up 0.1 SOL, and we launched the coin like 2 minutes ago. So now, guys, the next step would be actually waiting for buyers to come in, and that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna wait, 15 to 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna show you the chart on Axiom when it's, done. All right, guys. So that's what the chart looks like after a couple of, I waited like 30 to 40 minutes. It's sitting around $33,000 market cap, which is, really good. So the next step would be going back on mintrush and see the profits that have been made. Oh my God, guys. After refreshing, this is what we end up with. Approximately 1K in profit, which is insane. So now, guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually get this profit. Of course, it's all for educational purposes, as stated. So there's two ways. You can basically just sell the tokens you have in your wallet on Raydium to other people because now that the market cap is high, you can sell the coins you have in your wallet at a higher price. Or what you can do is you can click on the remove button here, click on 100%. So look, guys, you're getting 10.83 sold back in your wallet if you decide to click on the confirm button here, guys, which is absolutely crazy, guys. Insane. In a couple of hours, you just made 10 sold. This is why deving meme coins beats trading every single time. So if you found this useful, links are in the description. That's how it's done, guys. Take care.